Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to print passport photos at Walgreens in 2025. Whether you're renewing your passport, applying for a visa, or just need a quick ID photo, Walgreens has streamlined the process with their updated tech. By 2025, you'll find even more user-friendly features, like eye-enhanced photo editing right at the kiosk. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your photo meets passport requirements. That means a plain background, neutral expression, and the right dimensions, typically 2 by 2 inches for the US. You can snap a selfie on your phone or use a professional setup, but remember, the photo needs to be clear and well lit. Step 1. Head to your nearest Walgreens store. With their expanded locations and 24/7 kiosks, it's convenient no matter where you are. If you're in a rush, download the Walgreens app on your smartphone. In 2025, the app has upgraded with facial recognition to help crop your photo automatically. Game changer. Once you're at the store, locate the photo kiosk. It's usually near the pharmacy or front entrance. Log in with your Walgreens account or use a guest option. Upload your photo from your phone or take one on the spot using the kiosk's camera. The system will guide you through adjustments, ensuring it complies with official standards. Next, select the Passport Photo option from the menu. You'll see choices for quantity. Go for 2 or 4 prints, as they're often required for applications. The AI features will check for things like eye level and background, suggesting tweaks if needed. Then, review your order, add any extras like glossy finishes, and proceed to payment. Contactless options like Apple Pay or Walgreens Rewards make this step a breeze. After confirming, your photos will print in under a minute. Grab them, double-check the quality, and you're good to go. Pro tip: always keep a digital copy for backups. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more how-to guides. See you next time.